Okay, we're gonna try a new hole today. We're over here, the old tailing piles, but we're gonna shoot right here. This is a brand new hole. I took a test pan right out of here the other day and took a bucket home and ran it. I was pretty happy with what was in there, so we're gonna dig here today. I don't know how we're gonna do. It's super windy today. I've already had to move my camper. Tree almost hit the camper, so I had to move it into a clearing. Got all kinds of trees falling. Super windy. We got the sluice box all set up over here. Wife's gonna run that, and we'll get started and do some digging and see if we can find some gold. Well, we got our first bucket of dirt over here. Start feeding it in. I went ahead and took out the riffles in the first section there, so we could, just want to pan this out when we get done. See if any gold's getting down past these little riffles here. Or if these are catching any at all. Oh well, we'll find out. Oh, there's a piece of gold right there. Look at that. About 3 or 4 scoops in. Got a piece of gold. That's awesome. You know, you got a pretty nice wife when she'll come out here on her anniversary and sluice for gold. Been married yesterday, 36 years. Thank you, honey. Well, we get done running this one first bucket. I'll show you what we got. Okay, we just got done with our first bucket of dirt. I'm pretty pleased. Let's get a picture of it here. There's some pretty good gold. Pretty good one right there. That's pretty much, I don't know, 75 pieces. I don't know. I don't know what's down in here. I don't see any big nuggets, but you see some pretty good flakes in there. That's pretty good for one bucket of dirt. Well, I guess it's back to digging. The wind's calmed down. We've only had a couple trees fall down, but we're in a pretty safe spot. No dead trees can hit us. A bunch of dead lodgepole here, so I think we're all good. It's sunny and it's not cold. So back to digging. Bucket number 2. Alright, wind's back again, but we get done running our second bucket. Let's take a look in the mat and see what we got. There you go. My hand out of the way. A little bit in there. It's kind of hard to see with dirty water and everything. Well, we'll get back and run our third bucket. I went ahead and dug it up. We got our third bucket ready to go. So we'll just keep on going here. We're done running our third bucket of dirt. Let's get a picture of the gold in here. Pretty good. Well, I think it's time for some lunch. Yeah, there's some pieces there. Alright, that's our third bucket. The wind's still blowing like crazy. I'm sure you can hear it. Trees are going nuts. Okay, we just got done with our fourth bucket of dirt, and we're seeing some gold in there. I know some of it went down the mat. I'm pretty happy. Yeah, there's some few little pieces in there. And we just finished our fourth bucket. Wind's going crazy, so we've decided that we'll just go ahead and do a cleanup. Hey, all done cleaning up. I came in the camper, it's too flippin' windy out there. But anyway, that's the gold we got out of our 4 buckets of dirt. I'm pretty happy with that, and I'll take that. And, thanks for watching, and we'll be back at it tomorrow.